In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the most recently posted jobs on Glassdoor. First, open Glassdoor in your web browser or launch the mobile app and sign into your account. Being logged in helps keep your preferences consistent across devices and lets you quickly save roles you're interested in. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, head to the search area. Type the job title or keywords you're interested in and add a location if you have one in mind. You can leave the location blank if you're exploring broadly, or enter a city, region, or country to narrow things down. Keep your keywords simple and relevant so the results reflect the roles you actually want. Now click the search button to open the job listings page. This is where Glassdoor shows you all the available postings that match your query. Give the page a second to load and you'll see a list of roles with company names, locations, and brief summaries. Before you start scrolling, look near the top of the page for sort by or filters. This control is the key to seeing only fresh opportunities. If you're on the app, it may be at the top or tucked behind a filter icon. On desktop, it's typically above the results. Quick note while we're here. If you need the website or the app, I've placed a link to Glassdoor's site and the official download links right at the top of the description so you can access them easily. Go ahead and choose date posted. You'll see options like last day, last 3 days, last week, last 2 weeks, and last month. Pick the time frame that matches how recent you want the listings to be. Selecting a shorter time frame, like last day or last 3 days, focuses your results on the newest postings, which can give you a head start when applying. If your search is too narrow, broaden it slightly to keep enough roles in the list. With the filter set, scroll through the refreshed results to browse the latest openings. Open any listing that catches your eye to review the description, requirements, and company details. If it's a fit, proceed with the application process right from Glassdoor, or follow the employer's application link. It helps to keep a note of the roles you apply to and tailor your resume to the key skills listed in the posting so your application stands out. That's it. You can now easily find the most recently posted jobs on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching.